Are you looking to take your data analysis skills to the next level? Look no further than Excel. Excel is a powerful tool that can help you analyze and visualize your data like a pro. With Excel, you can easily organize your data, perform complex calculations, and create interactive dashboards. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced analyst, mastering Excel is essential for success in today's data-driven world. One of the key features of Excel is its ability to handle large amounts of data. With Excel's powerful functions and tools, you can quickly analyze and make sense of complex datasets. Excel also offers a wide range of visualization options, allowing you to create stunning charts and graphs that effectively communicate your findings. So, if you're ready to take your data analysis skills to the next level, start mastering Excel today. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Excel is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to excel in data analysis. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on mastering Excel for data analysis.